Hey man, I try to tell y'all, them Ferrari 14 guys, everybody's energy gonna switch up. Y'all see we out here in a totally different location, and it don't matter, bro. We still gotta chop it up about these Air Jordan 14 Ferrari guys. Let's get into today. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. Your boy, the Vintage, is back. And we out here in the Bahamas, man. I said, let me go ahead and bring these Ferraris with me because I know we're going to have to chop it up about these Air Jordan 14s, man. It's one of the ones where people start off saying, I ain't feeling them. I'm just gonna keep my 2014s, not worry about the 2025s. But it seems like everybody was switching up that energy, kind of tricking y'all a little bit, kind of making y'all redirect y'all energy towards the Air Jordan 5 grapes, which I do think Grape 5 is gonna be another one of those situations where not a lot of people like them, but they're gonna still end up selling out, just like the Ferrari 14s. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up. This is what you call dedication, man. We out here in Bahamas, I'm supposed to be relaxing. I said, nah, we gotta pick the camera up. We gotta chop about these Ferraris, so let's get into today's video. All right, so here we have them, man. I had to put them on the luggage. We had to bring them just to kind of see and recap how the release is going. And I checked on sneakers, I checked on Foot Locker, which, by the way, I did only do the ship to me option on Foot Locker. I got the confirmation this morning. So it was not a lot of stores on Foot Locker, not a lot of stores in Champ Sports in my areas that did get the shoe. And I knew I was already gonna be gone, so it kind of worked out, worked out for me in a bit because I did hit this ship to me option on these Ferrari things. But again, and what's crazy is on the Nike sneakers app, man, they sold out in like 10 minutes. I said, you know what, should I try and get another size? I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna leave them out there for you guys. So if you did hit on sneakers app, man, please comment it down below. If you're on the size 9.5, you gotta thank me because I did not enter for that size. Good take it from me, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and let me know what size you hit, and let me know if you hit on the Nike sneakers app. And then of course on JD and Finish Line, them things was gone instantly, bro. I was checking on it. I said, yo, where are all the pairs going? I just want to see kind of how the release is going, and it seems like they sold out instantly, bro. And that's just something that we have been seeing with 14s in general, bro. 14s are one of the ones, bro. It don't matter what the colorway really, because they always limited to a certain extent. And we got the Ferraris come back out. It's not the same, you know what I'm saying? You still got the light suede on there. You don't have the nice deep suede like we got with the 2014s. I think a couple other differences is the little plate at the bottom, the silver. It's a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? If you do have the 2014s, you know exactly what I'm talking about, man. And it's kind of hit up on real quick. I know we don't like always talk about it, but it kind of is important to talk about, man, that resale. Let me go ahead and check real quick on StockX and on GOAT. What I've seen already, it was like 280, 290 at some sizes. But I'm gonna check on StockX right now, just kind of see and gauge how the market is going. But again, man, if you ain't got a pair now, like I told y'all, bro, this is going to be one of those problems. So I'm gonna check real quick. So my size 9.5, let's see what we got. So my size 9.5 is already going for almost $300. I'll put a screenshot up here, but some other sizes like 15, of course, 310. You have some pairs going for $300, like size 10, 10.5. So if you got one of those pairs, man, you might be in some good luck, you know what I'm saying? You might be in some good luck, especially if you're trying to flip them or just hold them down the line, you know what I'm saying, later down the line for undefeated 4s. Taxis might be a problem. And like another shoe that might be a problem, which not a lot of people are, giving it that credit, is the Gamma 11s. But that's neither here nor there. We're getting way too far in the year. But again, man, these sold out instantly on the Nike sneakers app. Like I said, bro, your boy was able to get that double up, you know what I'm saying? I got them on Foot Locker shit to me. And of course I got these early from Grail Central. Shout out to them. Give you guys this dope content for you guys. And just kind of checking out how these Ferraris is hitting. Man, I'm not excited. I'm not like really, what should I say? I'm not surprised how these did, you know what I'm saying? I knew it from the beginning and I tried to warn y'all. What did I say in my last video? I said, I don't want to come on here on YouTube and say, I try to tell y'all. But nobody wanted to listen, bro. People, energy switched up very, very quickly. And yeah, now you see kind of how the release went, bro. It's over, bro. These things is pretty much gone everywhere, man. Another thing I did want to hit on with these guys, you know how it is, bro. With the white cements, with pretty much every release we have gotten this year, we always see some restocks. It's always like little ones and twosies sprinkled around here and there. But I do not think that we're gonna see anything crazy in terms of like a huge restock. We might see Foot Locker, you know, or like Champs getting some back orders and stuff like that. But in the whole grand scheme of things, I definitely think that this release might be cooked, bro. This might be one of the ones. But again, I am not surprised at all. Again, you might catch a restock, not too solid. And then another thing too, with the restock, we might see everybody talking about a surprise restock and stuff like that. We could be getting a Jordan Reserve or something like that from Nike very, very soon. It's around that time, you know, middle of the year, summertime, where, you know, they need to hit us with a restock. They need to hit us with a dope restock. And I do think that maybe, potentially, this one will be on that Jordan Reserve. But hey, that's neither here nor there. I don't know what Nike doing. This year has been totally different in terms of restocks, how they dropping, stock number. It's just been totally different. And I don't want to lead you guys in a direction. But if you want to get a pair, I would not wait too long. I wouldn't even bank on a restock, man. I would try and see who's selling a pair for the low ski, try to get them for a good deal, because I only see these going up in the near future, man. But I appreciate you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Again, man, had to bring y'all to the Bahamas. Y'all get a little quick preview of where I'm at. Y'all can't see the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? That's just gonna stay between me and my lady, you know what I'm saying? But it's been a great time out here. Again, I had to come chop up with you guys about the Ferraris. Again, let me know in the comment section if you guys secured a pair. Let me take an L. How did your release go? Hey, I'm out here and I still want to hear how you guys' release day went, because this is the perfect day, man. Jordan release Saturdays is just the best, you know what I'm saying? That's where we all come together and chop it up about the releases. And the Ferrari 14's definitely gonna be one of those story headliners that people are gonna be talking about for a couple months to, you know, to come, because this one right here kind of just surprisingly sold out quick. But I ain't gonna lie, I ain't shocked at all. But subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell, man. Run them likes up for your boy The Vintage. And if y'all want to see our own feet, I might hit y'all one tomorrow. Not too sure. Let's get this video up right here to at least 400 likes, and I will throw these on feet just for you guys. But let me know in the comment section. I'll let you guys. Catch you on the next one, man. Peace.